Doug Albregts. He's the president of Sharp. Sharp is also a sponsor of the Montgomery Summit. Thanks for joining us today.
It's great to be here.
Now tell me a little bit about what we're looking at.
Well, what we're looking at is, you're going to hold it, what we're looking at is a Sharp Aquos board. And I think everybody thinks it's just a TV, but it's much, much more than a TV. So you can obviously write all over this if you want. It can show video. You can write on the video. You can save documents to the cloud. So it's a pretty collaborative office type tool.
Where are we going to see these boards?
You're going to see them in a plethora of places. You're going to see them in schools, wherever there's a collaborative environment. We have a lot of professional sports teams that use them. We have a lot of news stations that use them. Wherever you have video and you want to write in that video, you want to telestrate, this is a great product for that.
It's funny because not a lot of people think about technology in the television, being able to write on it. We're all about 3D, 4D, all these new advancements. Why is this a significant movement in your company?
Well, it's significant primarily because of the collaborative nature of it, but because of the size of it too. And it's got a touch overlay, so you can write on it. But you can also save documents. So you can move this screen one way or the other. You can write on it. You can save it to the cloud. So there's many uses. And then you can go into a different room, and as long as it's attached to a network, you can pull up those same documents and do whatever you want to do to them. So that's the nature of this product. It's very collaborative. It's on wheels, so you can move it around. You can also fix mount it, so it offers a lot of things.
What was the inspiration behind this board?
The inspiration was that as you look at, first off, screens haven't been that big that recently. So when you look at 70 and 80 inch screens, you can get them environments where you no longer need a projector. And that's very beneficial because there's a lot of other moving parts where you need screens and you need lamps and all these other things, and this you don't need that. So from that standpoint, it's a very effective and it's very economical.
Where should we expect Sharp moving forward with boards?
Well, I think today we're not only are we doing boards, but we're doing digital signage. We're doing all kinds of things. We have a cloud portal office tool that is used. You can use this tool along with that tool. So again, it's the collaborative nature of devices. And for us to be at the Montgomery Summit, we're looking at a lot of companies in their infancy that are developing technologies that we can use with this. And that's critical for us to be here to be able to see that.
Let's talk a little bit about that collaboration. Have there been any companies here at the Montgomery Summit that kind of pique your interest?
Well, we were just with a company, I think it's SecureLink or Telelink, and Telesign, yeah. I guess I gotta get that right, but I've got so many notes. But we were with a lot of companies that are doing things around big data analysis, and this is capturing a lot of data. There's a lot of companies around security, a lot of companies around the cloud that are offering things specific to that. So for us, it's new for us because we have a Sharp Labs organization in the US, so we're trying to develop a lot of technologies, but to be able to come here and see a lot of them and things that might fit this type of technology and application is really beneficial for us.
This technology is super cool. My only question though is how secure is this? If we're writing some confidential information on this board, how easy is it for a hacker to access that?
Well, most of these are tied to networks that are managed by corporate IT departments. So from that standpoint, it's very secure. But obviously, if you write something on it and leave it in an environment like this, everybody can see it. So yeah, it's as secure as probably as the environment that it's in.
All right, thanks so much, Doug. We look forward to seeing great things from the board and everything else at Sharp.
Yep, thank you very much for having me.